A felicitation ceremony was held at GHM Guest House, Juwai, to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Rbsk Swasthya Karyakram in Meghalaya. The event recognized the contributions of healthcare professionals, mobile health teams and stakeholders from Jantia Hills and Rbsk district for their efforts in early child health care. F. Pasa, Assistant Commissioner of Juwai, attended as the chief guest and praised the team's dedication in addressing the 4 Ds: defect at birth, disease, deficiencies and developmental delays, ensuring timely medical care for children from birth to 18 years. He commended the team for their unwavering commitment to reaching remote areas, overcoming challenges like difficult condition roads to ensure better health and well-being for every child in need.
With me, ma'am, and Mission Director, Secretary Health, when we look at the data, we were quite very happy and amazed to look at the trend that the number of identification, the number of screening was going at a very, very good direction. And I would also make a note to thank Dr. Anindita and her team that through the quality screening, the quality standard has really improved, and we have seen these trend and we have seen this data in the last review as well. So thank you to each one of you, and as we said, this is not just like a celebration, but it is like a moment of thinking of future plans as well.
The weather report. First, let's take a quick look at the weather report in